This?
I'm wear myself out for the team? What team?
Yep. No. You gotta, no. You gotta put your... Oh, yeah. You're right.
I'm gonna look out for myself.
No, you're right.
Do it this way.
Hey, man. That's the worst attitude I ever heard.
No, for real. No. You don't have to put your other leg. You don't have to put your leg up in the air. That was bullshit.
It's gone.
Are your hiccups?
For some reason that always worked for me. I don't know why. I don't know if it was somehow the air gets out or...